You're right now.
I'll follow up. I think you got your vet book handy.
So he had 2 late dogs? Yes.
The plan was to just race as aggressively as possible, but not exactly a plan like where I was going to run to or how long I was going to rest. It was just a matter of how the dogs looked and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I mean, it was just the plan was to get here as fast as possible. They're awesome. You're not even tired or anything. Just keep going right now. I dropped a key leader in Nikolai early in the race and didn't really know what was going to happen after that. And the two dogs really stepped up big and got me here. They led the whole way. And so I'm pretty proud of them. It's a nice group of dogs.